Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sed and today I'm gonna show you a really brilliant app that's called Blynk. So this app, it's a lot of useless app for the guys that working on Arduino and stuff like that. So this app is a sort of Arduino controller, so you can control your Arduino and the Raspberry Pi and other microcomputers with the smartphone over the internet, Bluetooth and BL supported too. So you can create a beautiful interfaces with widgets like buttons, knobs, graphs, and display many more. So if you are like interested with this app, you can like download it directly from the App Store or the link that in description. And also you can even share your project with your friends and more make by simply sending them the link for this application. So you can use the Blynk cloud or deploy your own Blynk server in a minute and have a full privacy control in your brands in your hands. So you can like create a new account with your email and you can submit a password. So it's like a secure application. So you can like this and create a new account and you can go to this application. So the features for this application is it's like you can create an app from here, so you can customize and you can build your app from this application. And the supported boards for this shield is a lot of things. You can support Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, and Arduino Mini. A lot of Arduino cards and the Raspberry Pi, as I see, and Arduino 101 and Practical Core. A lot of supported boards, and also they support sheets and connection between USBs and connection to your laptop or desktop with USB Ethernet connection shield and Adafruit Wi-Fi official Arduino Wi-Fi shield and a lot and much more. So you can create a project from here, or you can create an app, or you can talk with community. You can like give a name for a project like this. You want to choose a device and connect type with a lot of connection types, and you can create and you can see what apps do you have here and a lot of things. And here they have a beautiful thing about the Blynk community. They have a good brilliant community. They have a lot of expertise and a lot of, so as I said, you can create a lot of things for this application, and you can use also the QR code, so you can analyze and you can see the other codes or other things that you can do with the QR code. So enjoy this application, and if you have any question about this application, you can contact me directly, and stay tuned with all another videos. Bye bye. Thank you.